So it's time for an update video on the Scirocco. I've decided it's time to swap it to a manual. So today we'll be pulling out the engine, stripping the front end, maybe taking off the old auto transmission. I've got the new R32 transmission right there. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned. So you got the bumper off, got the oil out. Now we're removing all kinds of small things. Now we can take the front off, radiators, that kind of thing. Take the axles out, and we should be able to remove the engine. So, meanwhile, we got the front end off. See the engine now. Amber is still there. The big hunk of a tranny we're trying to get out. So yeah, good times. Shitty weather.
Chuki, Peep.
Check my ammo. Not rough, Pete. You got him. never, man.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley. Feeling like Keith, no shrooms in my dressing room.
Yes. Okay, so when removing the torque converter on a 09J or a 09M, you can see there is one of the bolts. They've made this weird hole where you can put in the ratchet so you can reach the bolt on the other side. So you just have to remove the plug, get out the bolts, and then it should come off. Let's see. So here you can see all the new parts we have. The new flywheel, dual mass. I've got the new clutch assembly with the clutch plate. Oil for the transmission. New axles. So yeah, shit's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned for the next episode when we put all of this on the car. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe.